There are so many people. What are they looking at? I have never seen such a strange thing before. There is still some noise when train passes by. Would neighbors on and off have any objections?
I brought a sound level meter. Let's have a test.
What to do if it's windy? Will it unstable?
Is it really a ground floor? I suggest you to think again. Follow me.
Oh my God! Where we are? Unbelievable!
This is Michelle.
I'm Niranjan. Today we came to Chongqing to find some strange things. There are so many people. What are they looking at? Let's find it. Let's go.
Yes. Is it here?
Yes, this is the building. It's so strange. Train passes through the buildings. I have never seen such a strange thing before.
At the design stage, the planning of rail transit route and the residential building were finalized almost at the same time. And after much discussion, it was decided to build the railway station and the residential building at the same time. At least 6 versions of draft drawings were revised before the final design was determined.
We are inside the residential building. There is still some noise when train passes by. Would neighbors on and off have any objections?
I brought a sound level meter. Let's have a test.
Yes, sure.
You see, it's almost lower than 75 averagely.
This is good.
Detached station bridge structure was adopted at the design stage of Liziba station and commercial residential building, with track bridge and commercial residential building structural support systems set separately, effectively solving their vibration transmission problems.
Due to use of low noise and low vibration equipments on the monorail with inflatable tires and air springs supporting to the entire vehicle body, the sound level during the operation is lower than 75.8 decibel of urban trunk line. We have arrived at the ground square.
Is it really a ground floor?
Yes, because it's next to the road.
I suggest you to think again. Follow me.
Okay, let's go.
See? Is it really the ground floor?
Oh my God! Where we are?
We are at the 22nd floor.
Unbelievable!
Yes, this is some kind of strange things in Chongqing as well. Let's go.
Now we continue to the 8th floor. Pass through the underground garage and go to the road. We turn into the building on the right and now we are on 13th floor. There is a connecting bridge between 2 buildings. This is 13th floor. This is 12th floor. And downside you can see again monorail. When we come out from the 14th floor, we again on the street.
So according to the map, we are here. So can you try to point out the location of the Yangtze River cableway?
Oh, it's very easy for me.
Okay, sure. Please try.
You know, I think that is the big bridge and it's here on the river. And this one is from here to here.
Okay, let's review the answer now. You are almost 100% correctly.
Wow.
So the Yangtze River cableway connects the Yuzhong district and Nan'an district in Chongqing.
What to do if it's windy? Will it unstable?
There is an anti-swing device here which can withstand wind speed of 5 to 6 levels, which is very safe, environmental friendly, convenient, fast, punctual, and all-weather running. This is China's first self-designed, self-manufactured, self-installed, and self-debugged double load-bearing and double traction cableway.
There is indeed something about infrastructure giant.